You're watching Vacation Minute by Explorer Vacations, where every journey tells a story. Welcome to Sitges, Spain. As the late afternoon sun washes over Sitges, this coastal town reveals a timeless charm just south of Barcelona. Founded by Iberians and shaped by Roman settlers, Sitges grew into a thriving medieval port, later becoming a creative haven for artists during the Catalan Modernisme movement of the late 19th century. As we stroll through its narrow streets, golden light dances across whitewashed buildings and historic facades. By evening, the promenade comes alive. Locals gather, cafes glow, and the Mediterranean reflects the last colors of the day. From the iconic church of San Bartomeu y Santa Tecla, overlooking the sea, to the lively nightlife that defines modern Sitges, this town blends centuries of history with relaxed coastal energy. This is Sitges at sunset, beautiful, vibrant, and unforgettable, only on Explorer Vacations. For travel ideas about Spain and beyond, please visit our website, ExplorerVacations.com, to see all of the exciting vacation options we have for you.